Kia continues updating its models with its new styling language while refreshing their tech features. The most recent example is the Kia Sonet, which received a mid-lifecycle update in the Indian market. Kia's smallest SUV for emerging markets was introduced in 2020, and the 2024 updates are focused on a redesigned face, with Mahindra-style boomerang-shaped LED headlights extending on the bumper and flanking a wider tiger nose grille. Black trim pieces connect the lighting units with a boxier central intake, above a larger skid plate with a faux aluminum finish. The profile remains largely carried over as expected, with new color options and 16-inch alloy wheels being part of the update. The rear end received a new set of full-width LED taillights looking similar to other models from the Kia range, including the Carens minivan, and more aluminum-style trim on the redesigned bumper. Interestingly, the styling of the Indian market Kia Sonet is different from the Chinese spec model, as proven by a set of leaked photos from a few months ago. Interior changes are less obvious, as the dashboard retains the old layout. The digital cockpit comprises dual 10.25-inch screens, combined with revised climate controls and new options for the upholstery. Depending on the trim, the equipment can include wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay connectivity, wireless charging, ventilated seats, a Bose audio system, a sunroof, an air purifier, 6 airbags, standard, and new ADAS. Powertrain options are carried over from the outgoing Sonet, including the 1.2-liter MPI producing 82 horsepower, 61 kilowatts. The 1-liter TGDI producing 118 HP, 88 kilowatts, and the 1.5-liter CRD diesel producing 114 horsepower, 85 kilowatts. All versions are front-wheel drive, with 3 different transmissions depending on the powertrain. Kia didn't announce pricing for the facelifted Sonet in India, which is expected to be slightly increased compared to its predecessor. The company will start accepting orders on December 20th, 2023. Ahead of the first deliveries in mid-January 2024. Production of the Kia Sonet takes place in Anantapur, India. What do you think of the new 2024 Kia Sonet facelift? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If the video was useful, please like it. And of course, subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye.